much is Snake Farm. It's a reptile house, Snake Farm. Ooh. Sometimes Ramona calls me up and says, come on down here, it's getting warm. She runs everybody off and we, you know, it's a Snake Farm. Snake Farm, it just sounds nasty. Snake Farm, it pretty much is. Snake Farm, it's a reptile house. Snake Farm, Snake Farm, it just sounds nasty. Snake Farm, it pretty much is. Snake Farm.
Okay. Just wait just 1 minute, okay? He's taking me up, okay? Hey, you can come.